Hello, I'm Jan Haldane. Welcome to this meditation for sleep. I'm going to guide you into a restful sleep by taking you on a relaxing train ride through the beautiful countryside. Find a comfortable position now and make sure that you will not be disturbed so that you get a restful sleep. Get as comfortable as you can now, and at any time along the way you need to reposition, please feel free to do that to get an even more pleasant sleep. Now begin to let go of all the tension you build up throughout the day. Any worries you accumulated seem to lose their power and intensity as you settle down for the night. Feeling cozy now, allow your breath to begin to slow down with each breath you take. A nice full breath in, and slowly exhale, letting your breath return to normal now. Just observe your mind and how it is thinking of various things about your life and about your day. Observe how perhaps visuals of moments flash in your mind, or maybe you feel them. You may be able to hear sounds with your thoughts as they present themselves. Good. Letting images from your life fade now, bring into your imagination that you are walking towards a long train that is parked somewhere in the countryside. The engine of the train is stopped at an old station in the middle of nowhere, and the long train extends into the horizon. You are walking several sections back and you notice an open wagon. You see the workers getting ready to depart, and steam is billowing out from the engine. You hop on the open wagon and find it is filled with fresh hay. And you hear the train horn blowing and the sounds of distant voices calling all aboard. So you lay down in the hay and it is perfectly comfortable. You are positioned in a way that you are gazing out the open door into nature. And as you sit back, waiting for the train to begin to roll, you look around the wagon and notice all the details. The weather is perfectly mild and soothing. Perhaps you can sense the smell of hay in the countryside breeze. Notice everything as vividly as you can. You feel slight vibrations as the train powers up, and you can hear its mighty engine hissing as it builds up enough power to pull the massive weight. Soothing station bells begin to ring, alerting that the train is leaving the station. The wagon begins to roll very slowly, and you take a deep breath of relief because you know you are in for a long, relaxing ride. The vibrations under you get stronger because the train is increasing in speed, and you can hear the relaxing sounds of the wheels turning along the tracks. The station bells get louder as your wagon passes by the small station in the middle of nowhere, and then they pass by, and the ringing sounds get fainter in the distance until you cannot hear them any longer. The vibrations under you are strong yet soothing. They even out into a relaxing hum as the train has reached a safe and steady speed for a long journey. As you gaze outside, it is still light, but it will be sunset very soon. You can see out both sides of this train car, making for the most beautiful views you have ever seen. You see the ground close to you passing by very quickly, and the trees nearby passing a little slower, and in the distance some rolling mountains are moving by ever so slowly as you ride. Now look out into this beautiful nature and really, really enjoy its beauty. Now the sun is beginning to meet the horizon, setting behind a soft rolling mountain range in the distance. The colours that the sunset begins to create for you are absolutely breathtaking. The pinks and yellows of the sky fade into the bright blue, then into the deep blue of the night sky inching in. The gentle mountain range gives off hues of greens and blues and greys. The sundown is reflecting colours of purples mixed with oranges now as it dips below the mountains. Meadows of warm golden colours are passing by the train, and every now and then an old giant oak tree passes you by, standing proudly in the sprawling fields of gold. This view is mesmerizing, and you are not thinking about anything other than the beauty you are witnessing. You are getting more and more relaxed and feeling grateful for these beautiful moments in the twilight upon the sleepy train. You are very comfortable and ready for a restful night's sleep. The aura of the sun is slowly fading away, and the night sky is chasing away the sunset. Your eyes are becoming heavy with sleep as you watch the day turn to darkness. The wide meadows have passed by, and the train is entering a forest. The weather cools just a bit, and you can smell the trees as they close in around the train. Dark has settled in, yet there is a crisp moonlight peeking through the trees as they pass by. The hum and resonance of the train are very soothing to you, making you even more sleepy. Your eyes are closed now, and occasionally you open them for just a moment to gaze around the wagon and the view into nature. Now hear yourself saying as you drift and float on this dreamy train ride, sleep comes and it restores me and it heals me. Nighttime is my time to fully rest and rejuvenate. A restful night's sleep is approaching, and I am just along for the ride. I have done all that I need to do today. Right now, I don't have to do anything but sleep. I breathe peacefully and easily, relaxing my mind and body. Sleep comes over me naturally and willingly. As I become more relaxed and sleepy, this gives my body the time to heal. I know how good this is for me right now. Deep and restful sleep is possible every night when I let go of worries and stress. My breath is steady and slow, carrying me into a long night's sleep. And as I become sleepier and sleepier, my brain slows, yet my creativity increases. This creative state is void of any of my worries or fears. It is completely open to showing me how to achieve my goals and attain my desires. I am grateful for my day that was well lived, and now it has become night. Through sleeping and dreaming, I accomplish great advances in my psyche, which extend into my waking life. Now it is my time to dream. I embrace rest as one of nature's natural healing medicines, and my body feels very heavy and very calm. My muscles are completely relaxed, and any remaining tension completely fades. My mind is quiet and clear. I enjoy waking up refreshed and rejuvenated after a marvelous sleep. I sleep well each and every night. Nothing disturbs me when I sleep. The more rest I get, the more excellent tomorrow will be. I thank my body for allowing this time of rest and relaxation. I thank my mind for letting go of worries and opening to resourcefulness through dreaming. No matter how much of my dreams I remember, I know that they are constructive and offer a space for my imagination to flourish. Dreaming and sleeping allow for great vision and inventiveness to take place in my mind. I release all my thoughts from the day. I release any tension I accumulated from the day. I awaken refreshed and happy when I have gotten the perfect amount of sleep that I need. I am grateful for my beautiful bed and pillow that support me. I am calm and full of peace. Falling asleep is effortless for me. I know that the words I say and the things I think come into action. I say with confidence every day that I sleep easily and restfully. Each night when I lay down on my soft pillow, I am greeted by sleep and I welcome the sensation. I sleep so soundly that my body and mind are completely refreshed and ready to accomplish anything. I look forward to going to bed knowing it will be quiet and relaxing. I look forward to doing all the little things I like to do to prepare for getting in the bed. I turn off all lights before getting in bed because darkness releases melatonin in my body, aiding in perfect rejuvenation. Falling asleep happens quickly without any effort. Perfect. Now just drift and float, not thinking about anything in particular. Just let things come and go as things always do. Sleep is encompassing you now. The train is taking you along for the ride into a new and beautiful destination when you rise. So enjoy this time and allow my voice to completely fade away, just as the sleepy train rolls along through the wilderness. Good night now, sweet dreams.